Marhaba! What do you think about this course?
So I think I learned much more in these 8 days than in 2 years of MSA.
What?
So thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Did you like the whole experience?
Yeah, it was great. Also to have a smaller group, we could learn a lot, and Akko is really a fantastic village or town. I would definitely recommend it because like this you're able to speak. MSA is a very good basis, and you should definitely come with a basis like this, learn and read. But then to put it into practice also in the town, walking around, it's really a good choice.
Shukran, Ludovica. And Tayyeb, would you recommend this to your friends? Did you like the course?
No, I'm joking. Yes, this course is amazing. Definitely get on your bike and come over it.
A bike.
The best thing about Maha's course is that, well, obviously we were a small group, so we were able to get a lot of attention. But then I've heard in the MSA courses as well, Maha provides equal amount of attention to everyone regardless of the size of the group. But the best thing was having that personal experience from someone who is from this land, who speaks this language, day-to-day lives and day-to-day scenarios, and then we were able to practice that ourselves in the markets and stuff around here. And this city is so beautiful as well, so you've definitely got to come over and give it a visit.
Shukran. And Samyrha, what do you think about the whole experience? Do you like it? Did you learn?
I'm really grateful to learn Arabic with such an enthusiastic teacher. To learn this language is also native to me. It was very a beautiful experience in this beautiful community. It was a very practical class also. I feel like in my experiences with other courses it has been a little bit more complex in learning Arabic, but this was very practical and being able to pick it up and be able to put it into practice. So I'm really grateful and yeah, encourage anyone to come and have a beautiful experience and get to know this beautiful land and people.
Shukran! This is your second time coming here, right? And
yeah, I like it so much. That's why I'm here for the second time.
And do you feel you learned more and you're... I did feel that.
My first conversation with an Arabic person, we was only two and I understood.
Alhamdulillah. Melissa, what do you think about it?
You're the best teacher, and it's so immersive, and it's just amazing. I loved it, and I hope I'll be able to talk with
Inshallah.
my in-laws now.
Yeah, that's our difference. We're gonna say shukran to you guys for coming. Wanna miss you. Yalla, bye.
Marhaba.
Hi, we're in Akko today. This is the last lesson of today's Palestinian or Levantine Shami Dialect Course.
مرحبا أنا لودوفيكا من إيطاليا.
اسمي سميرة من لوس أنجلوس.
مرحبا أنا اسمي طيب من بريطانيا.
مرحبا أنا رومان. اسمي رومان. أنا فرنسي.
So guys, today we're gonna show them how we're able to conjugate a past tense verb, and then we'll transform the same verb into the present tense. So we are going to teach you how to conjugate any verb in the past. Let's start with the past in Palestinian Arabic. Again, we're talking Shami Arabic, right?
Yeah.
Let's try to conjugate the verb. Which verb do you want? Daras? Daras, which means to study. The verb daras, darasa, to study. If I want to say, I studied, you say?
أنا بدرس.
Past tense. Okay, past tense. أنا درست. I want to hear you.
أنا درست.
درست. أنتِ male.
درست.
أنتِ female.
درستي.
درستي. هو هي
درس.
هي
درست.
درست. إحنا all of us
درسنا.
درسنا. أنتوا
درستوا.
هني
درسوا.
درسوا. Woohoo! Fantastic. Let's try it with another verb just to give you an idea that the rules, as we learned, they never change. The rules of conjugation, the suffixes that we add to the verbs, what happens to them? They never change. For example, if we want to do it with an irregular verb, for example, the verb nam, to sleep, if I want to say I slept, it's أنا نمت. أنا نمت. أنت نمت. أنت female. نمتي. هو نام. هي نامت. إحنا all of us نمنا. أنتوا نمتوا. And هن all of them ناموا. That is very advanced. They learned a beginner Palestinian dialect course, and they're already advanced because they are conjugating a very difficult verb containing a vowel in the middle. Let's try to conjugate the same verb daras into the present tense. What did we say about present tense? We change the prefixes mainly, and some pronouns get a changing also in the suffix. So what do we add at the first? If I am doing the action, if I'm studying, أنا بدرس. I want you to speak up. أنا بدرس. أنت تدرس. أنت female تدرسي. هو يدرس or بدرس. هي تدرس. إحنا ندرس. أنتوا تدرسوا. هني بدرسوا. Fantastic. Again. أنا بدرس. أنت تدرس. أنت تدرسي. هو بدرس. هي تدرس. إحنا ندرس. أنتوا تدرسوا. هني يدرسوا. Woohoo! Fantastic. So, did you like the verb conjugations? I'm going to do a whole full video on how to reach that and how to reach this level of conjugating easily past tense verb and present tense verb in one of the following lessons on my YouTube channel. But I wanted to show you that they were able to do it, and for that reason I'm going to give you your certificate. To learn Arabic with me in the Holy Land and be as good as my students. They covered all this in just 10 learning, actually less, 8 learning days, and they visited everywhere in the Holy Land. If you want to be able to learn Arabic with me like my students did, you have to apply to my next course. From Akko, we thank you. We say
شكرا.
for watching us, and we'll see you in the following Arabic lesson with me, Maha. مع السلامة.
مع السلامة.
Learn Arabic with Maha.